Is that? Hey.
What are you? When we went to 8th day,
This is where you guys are standing, bro.
in the mosquito.
And she's showing you the blood. Oh yeah, we're gonna do that. I should climb this tree. हम इधर ऐसे थोड़ा साइड में. Oh no! It came. Oh my god, bro! What a shit! Yeah, the mosquito bit her and then she killed it. Oh my god! No, you have to do that. Two friends are like, hey. Oh my god!
Like memories bring back. Oh.
Women in male dominated fields. You got 2 bites, no? Bro, are we twinning?
Hello, I'm back again. I'm Muskan. Okay, wait.
Oh my god. There's this thing coming. It's good, no? I think people can't go wrong with this. So that's why it's like the safest bet. We have the shake and the crispy baby chili, whatever that thing was. Oh my god, let's go. Let's taste. Oh my god, here it is. Must. Good. If you go wrong with it, that's horrendous. Spicy. I like the size of the cup as well. Okay.
This makes like taste the biscuit and the liver separately and the milk separate.
I mean, as well as it's cold.
Yeah.
I was reading this book, Hyperfocus. Okay. What is Hyperfocus? Yeah, not bigger. So I was reading that. It was lying down on my table. Okay. So the title is Hyperfocus. So the subtitle of it reads that how to be productive within like something like within a short how to get work done within some amount of for some time. So that. So my dad and my mom read that. Only that. They didn't read Hyperfocus. And I'm like, and then they were like coming for me. कि आजकल के बच्चे bro इस generation का क्या बोले हम? पता है क्या हुआ last week हमारे college के? Oh my god, we got locked in. Like they shut both the front gate and the back gate on us. They did that. Locked in. Yeah. Exactly, man. Wait a minute. Bro, I only trust like, hey, that's so good. That's so good. You wanna start? It has gotten very good. Oh my god. Like, yes, like. It's a fast mic. How is it?
Good. It's cheesy, very cheesy. It has hint of tomato, but overall, I love the cheesy. So basically, it's like that cheese tomato popcorn kind of flavor thing. It's really good. I like it.
I like the steam though. Then I'm like, dessert bhi manga de. Bro, do you journal? Hey, bro. It's so great. It's so good.
But like just one time, I was like really putting off journaling. I didn't journal for like 4 to 5 days. And once I started writing, I wrote a whole fucking novel itself.
It is. Like, so many people around me don't journal. I'm like, मैं कोई भी दोस्त नहीं करता है, bro. It's so good.
What people think journaling is You know, this roast आपको दिन कैसा गया वो देखो. But that's not good. You
Yeah.
write for the feeling. You
Exactly.
write from the day. When something major happened, what emotions did you feel through that? And good things as well. Wherever I went, I used to take the pill. And then वो फिर मेरे journey में लगा दी.
Yeah.
Write that, you know, कौन गया? What did we order? How was it? How did
Exactly.
so good.
It does. Other, I feel like that's therapy. It is. Because you're like coming to terms with the fact that you're feeling all of these things and you're writing that down. That's like the biggest acknowledgement, I think.
And like in therapy as well, our major thing is to journal. Like therapists or like counselors will tell you to journal almost every day. And like if you are like so like there's this thing called MRBD, which is like basically depression ka ye. And like a major tactic is to do gratitude journaling for almost every day. Journaling is helpful, not just like it's not just a hope that you people think that if you journal, it is an actual
Thing.
proven.
I started like 2 साल पहले. I was like, it feels so weird. I gave up between. दिमाग में एकदम ही ज़्यादा ही आ गया. You know, what is this? What am I writing? Who am I writing to? This doesn't make sense. But कुछ है ना बीच में हुआ. And then I'm like, I need to vent now, and I don't want to say that to people. जाके yeah. It's like just paper तो हम कुछ भी it doesn't matter. I was like experimenting क्या ही हो जाएगा लिख ही देते हैं. I started and I couldn't stop after that.
Exactly.
Yeah, because it's
I
just
tried to also do the voice note while I'm
Ooh.
journaling. It can be gone from my phone. If I like write my journal, it will be with me. Like now I have like 3 journals finished.
my God, yeah. But I think like I have so much to write, but I don't want to say majority of that stuff to people.
Like there are things that you don't even want to say to like your closest friends. How do you like it?
It's really good.
Their food is good. It's shape.
Could be better. Yeah. We're gonna do ratings for everything. Guys, they are filled to the brim. Like very cheesy pasta. And we are very exhausted. Because it seems like we've been eating since centuries.
Yes, yes. Like okay. Good.
It was good, yeah. Now we're gonna rate everything. Oh my god, that expression was diabolical.
But ठीक है, not bad. The food was actually good.
The food was good. Oh my god.
Not really say anything about the shake.
Yeah, no comment. No comment about the shake.
Good inside a glass of it. You have the same. Don't tell me you have the same. You have to.
We are the same. You also spilled mine is not. Nana's almost turned pink.
How do you have the same one? It is so good, right?
It is. It was absolutely good. And goes for everything. That's the thing. You don't just change around the colors. I was you're also carrying a lip liner only, no? I'm also carrying my stuff.
I have this fake, this Canada wala.
That's yours, that's mine.
But like I think it is the same.
Same shade, no? Almost?
Yeah,
I think, yeah.
It's like more cold and that is warm.
Yeah.
Okay, we do have
Yes.
the same. We
Almost.
have the same lip gloss and we
Okay.
have the same. Yeah.
Yes, yay. I was about to ask you what your gloss is. But the thing with this one is that I'm so dumb. I was like, एक बार ये खत्म हो गया. I was supposed to sharpen it, alright. Now I couldn't find the sharpener. I had one, but I couldn't find it.
And then we just bought another. Then
I kept on using that one. As long as the pigment. No, like the pigment was there. I moved it around in a way so that it did not hurt it. Yeah, and then imagine, I think 2 दिन पहले I was searching for something else and I found the sharpener. ऐसा ही होता है भाई, ऐसा ही होता है. Oh my god, like all of this stuff happens, so I'm like, पहले नहीं मिलता है मुझे, पहले नहीं मिलता. The weather, I don't know what's happening. Why did it turn so gloomy?
That was my mom was saying.
हाँ
बारिश आने वाली है.
अरे यार क्या मजा नहीं आएगा लाइट्स ऑन ना
This
is the
weather
vibe.
is good, but like as soon as it starts to rain,
इसका lighting is not doing it yeah clear. This is the box we got in. Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, open. Oh my god. Ooh, wow. Yeah, so cute. Yeah.
it was
Oh my god.
Should I make a video?
What do we do?
What are we doing?
What do we do? Oh my god, she had done one of those with Insta trend or something like that. Why do we always do that? We always end up searching end moment.
Exactly.
We should start searching on other stuff before we decide to meet up.
Next time.
Yes, we're gonna do it then.
Exactly. And we'll save up the voices.
Yeah.
We'll save up the filters.
Yeah. Do you remember we did that once?
Yes. When we went to 8th day.
Yeah, we did that. Last time we go.
You had वो आँख वाला वो photo वाला. You were like holding your phone like this and like.
Oh yeah, shit. Let me start it up now. It's not like. We're gonna do a pose right now. A pose time. I'm just like doing this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's do it again.
That should we both like look at the camera or like.
Yeah, I think we should look at the camera.
I
Think
know.
what?
I think maybe we can stand up.
Yeah, we should. But where do we stand?
I don't know.
This is like rather.
Yeah, I know.
Or-
Should we like do it outside? Maybe?
Yeah, I think we should go.
I know. I think we should go.
Yeah.
We have paid to visit, right?
Yeah. We should do our nonsense also. You remember we did all of that outside last year? We did a lot of nonsense outside last year. Oh,
I do remember.
we did all of that while we were waiting for Uber. This is the problem with booths. चलो हो गया. Let's go. We just trespassed from this thing. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay, that position is actually good. Oh, can be good. Oh my god, but it looks so good. Should we run? After going in there. No, it's not like Ooh, and focus with the must. Oh my god. Yeah. Phone holder, convenient, very convenient. Look, this is where you guys are standing, bro. Oh my god, is there someone? I almost got scared if someone was popping out. I don't think they should be saying anything. They shouldn't be saying anything, right? They shouldn't be saying it. Oh my god, I do that so much. Bro, एक second. Is that a mosquito?
No, was that? That was a mosquito. Oh fuck! I just killed a mosquito.
Oh my god. And she's showing you the blood. Thanks, bro.
Oh shit! Whatever. No, I don't care. Ew.
Oh my. I don't even have a tissue. Do you want to explore the wash?
I maybe.
I
Let's just
think.
click that. Click that.
Yeah, let's just click them and then we're just gonna explore. Let's see how that goes. Oh my god. But this area is nice. I'm liking the lighting of this thing. It is. Yeah. Besides this thingy. Yes. इसमें बीच में तो I was thinking we can put it there, but then this is way too low technically.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. And then these jar and all that. I'm like, बीच में से ऐसे निकल के जाए. Oh my god. Let's just
Okay, let's
Yeah.
take our pictures.
let's click the pictures. Cut the cap. She is about to drop her phone. Damn, bro. अच्छा खासा जुर्माना भरना पड़ता. Oh, why are there so many? one almost flew again.
I know. There are many more. And
Like,
there
yeah,
are
yeah, time.
also.
Cheaties.
5 seconds लगाया ना.
What do we do though? Oh yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh my god.
There are the एक दूसरे को देखता है नहीं क्या
Yeah. You need to look shocked as well. You need to have that expression.
Right.
Yeah, that is a problem. She needs to look shocked. Am I even in the frame? Oh,
Okay.
I like that. This was good. This was good. Yeah. Then camera.
I think this is better.
Yeah, this one was better. It's more like natural.
And it's like you're looking like you're in the fucking photo.
Oh my god. Yes, एकदम realistic. एकदम realistic. Oh, do you want to search more poses while we're at this? Let's search more poses. Oh my god. Is it coming?
Oh no, I feel like cut half of your face.
So 10 minute color so that you can adjust. What are we doing, guys? We are taking pictures. Is this even happening?
Okay, no, I think you have to go like more far.
Okay, I'll go itna far.
Okay, face coming and not able
I can't even see.
to- Kind of now.
Oh,
Do one thing. You stand आगे.
I should climb this tree.
You stand आगे so you can see what's going on.
I stand आगे.
Check. Yeah.
It is. Wait, no. You have to come इधर ऐसे थोड़ा साइड में. नहीं तेरी तो मुंडी आ ही नहीं रही है.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh no. It came. That point was actually good. Yeah, wait. Let me do it this. Oh no. I don't think it's coming now. पता नहीं हम कहाँ कर रहे हैं. Wait, you sit. हाँ. Wait, I have to come a little back. नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं हो रहा है. I don't even know where I'm. That's so off. That's so. This is so
Some
funny.
other pose.
This
Oh my
is so
God.
funny. Oh my god, bro. What am I?
Okay.
What am I even hurting?
Okay, no, we should just. do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's itching her.
Oh no, it has bit me.
Oh
It
shit.
has bit me.
Yeah, the mosquito bit her and then she killed it. Oh my god. Shiz. We are trespassing again.
I think this is more dense. I think we will just say
Oh my god. What in the world are we doing?
Come.
I'm
Oh
coming.
my god.
Oh my. I've got a lie of it. So I don't know what she said. Oh my god. I like it. So good over here, bro. Yes, like trespassing again. Should we go inside? Oh my god. Oh, did you wow. Elegant, that was elegant, bro. We're trespassing again.
Let not fall. Okay. I like that.
Wait, let me place it a little more better. Oh,
Okay, that's good.
fit check bhi
We
karte
like
chalo.
that. Exactly.
Fit check.
We are
We're both wearing.
yellow.
Yes.
Without discussing first, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like so unexpected, bro. It's like our brain chemistry aligned. Telepathy. Yes.
Oh my god. No, you have to do the hand. on
Okay.
the head, yeah.
Wait. Oh my god, that was good.
Okay.
But वो क्या था scene?
Yeah. मतलब ऐसे वो कर देगा. Fall करो.
I am the one.
Yeah, because like
Oh.
I'm not sure. This happened.
देखो, I should go probably. Okay, what in the world is that? Was a fail. The first one was a fail. You should grab me.
Yeah.
So effortless. Are we looking in the camera? You big, you bloody ass. Oh my god.
Why are we so far? Okay, they are too
It's like two friends are like, hey.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, it's happening. Okay, it's happening. Oh my god.
I think we should leave.
Yeah, we should leave. Too many mosquitoes over here, guys.
Guys, we did try to.
Yeah. Oh, oh my god. बहुत मच्छर. Another trespass. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so odd.
Okay, honestly,
Main चीज है
this
मजा
was
आना
better than
चाहिए.
the food.
I know, right?
Iron
The
staircase.
iron stairs. This is from our high school. Oh my
shit,
god, the exact one. Memories. Memories.
Memories. Memories bring back. Memories bring back. Oh,
What is that? I don't know. She's booking her cab, guys.
bite.
Bike, yes. Book it before that stupid rain comes.
Exactly. Yeah.
It has gotten gloomy oddly. And you're wearing summery spring clothes and then it's gotten gloomy. Such a damper on our mood. Not a vibe.
But
Hmm.
the after food was the after party was better.
Yeah, the after party was better
Exactly. We
than the
had
main
fun.
party.
So much goofy
Oh my god.
moves, bro.
Trespassing.
I killed a fucking mosquito who
We did not get to record that because that happened so randomly, bro. You can literally see that on her forehead. That's the
Exactly.
mosquito is there.
Look.
Yeah. Oh my god. You remember we were doing? Then we were actually twirling each other, only you were twirling me again last year,
Yeah.
and we were claiming we
I
had
remember.
sandwich. Oh, we're still in sandwich.
I remember.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, he's coming in 2 minutes.
Coming in 2 minutes. Yes. Slay. What are you even doing?
I don't know.
What are you even doing, bro? Oh my god.
He's moving.
Let him move. Let him.
He's moving and moving.
No, men can't groove.
Can they? Yeah, I don't think they can. Grooming is only for women.
Yeah. Only women. Women in male dominated fields.
Period.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Now it's itching her intensely. Oh my god. She's gotten. You got 2 bites, no? इधर भी नहीं है ना?
Somewhere इधर भी
Yeah.
हुआ है. ये रहा.
Yeah. Oh my god. She got 3. ये तेरा. You got extensions.
No.
Yeah, but ये क्या है? ये
हाँ ये gel polish था
हाँ.
but हट गया. Oh, I had these. वो Lana Del Rey का lyrics करवाया
Yeah, that's
था.
what I saw. Like L, I saw L something
हाँ,
something.
wait.
Oh, I think you posted it, no? Yeah, I think I've seen that. Oh yes, yes. Oh my god, this was so good.
We were born to die.
Yay!
अभी कराऊंगी मैं. अभी थोड़ा nails को आराम
Rest,
दे रही थी.
yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, we're gonna rate abhi.
Okay, yes.
Let's. This is better outside. The restaurant is
We
better.
came by the way.
Where in the world is this
Oh.
food?
Okay, so fast. Trading fast. Shakes, honestly, 3 out of 10.
Okay, I was gonna give a 5.5, but okay.
Baby corn, 7 out of 10. Pasta,
Agree.
a good 8.5 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
I like the pasta.
Yeah.
Okay, he's here.
He's yours. Oh my god. It got gloomy, guys. It got gloomy. Way too gloomy. For our own good. Oh my god, it got way too gloomy. I don't like this. But it was a good time. We're gonna yap later. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. It's literally 3:30. I just came back home. And oh my god, it was a blast. I think, like my Muskan mentioned, the after party was much more of a blast than the actual party. Oh my god. Before I was about to go there, yesterday I thought that I was getting a cold, like I was sneezing constantly for God knows what reason. And now it's so much better because I went in and I had my ginger honey water mixed lemon thingy, whatever that thing is, yesterday night in order to prevent a cold to come today, and that eventually did subside. Oh my god. But it was such a blast. Oh my god. I think we should hang out more often. Honestly, such a vibe. Oh my. All in all, it was a good day. It was a great day. In fact, I would say we usually have a yearly meet up only because she is not right now in our city. She is somewhere else for college. It's good that I get to see her at least once a year. We get to have fun like you did see at the end of the vlog after we had come outside. That's all for the day. I forgot to do an intro. My bad. My bad. I was actually getting late. I started doing my makeup end moment because earlier I had my extra class and then I went to my workout and then I decided to do my makeup, so I got a little late, and that's why I couldn't record in the beginning at home before I left. All right, so now I have time, so I'm recording. Okay, and it's literally 3:30 right now, but look at the gloominess. Oh my god, it's gonna get so windy. It's gonna say, oh my god, it just dropped down a little more. Can you look at that? Like the wind and the gloominess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, I don't think you guys can see me as well. But regardless, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys soon. Okay? Bye bye.